Hi, this is Darren with Smartsheet Guru. In my Smartsheet Elite program, in a group session, a member asked, how can you turn off submissions to a form once a given number of submissions are received? We can't turn off the form directly. However, what we came up with, we can put that form link on a dashboard, and then we can hide this link once we have the maximum number of submissions. So in this dashboard, we have it set up that we can allow 3 submissions to this form. I've already got 2 submissions, and they are in this sheet here. Now I'll go ahead, I'm going to submit a form here. And we'll just put a name in here. We're not going to worry about that. We'll submit that. Okay, we've submitted an entry. Refresh this. So whenever someone would come to this dashboard again to submit their link or the form, it would be closed. They no longer have access to that form. Now, how does that look? In this sheet here, we'll refresh so we get that last submission in. We're utilizing some sheet summaries. This is simply a count of the submissions in this sheet. This summary is, we can adjust this, and say if we wanted to have 4 submissions, I see that form link came back. So we'll take a look at that formula next. And the submissions remaining is just subtracting the max submissions and the number of submissions. Look at the submission form field. We're saying if the number of submissions is less than the maximum submissions, then we'll display the link to the form. Otherwise, we'll display form closed. And in order to get this on the dashboard, we are using a report here that is showing the link from the sheet summary. And that's not up to date. I'll refresh that. And there we go. Now, of course, this works well if you want to, say, publish this dashboard and have a form link on it, or share this dashboard and have the form link on it. And then when people come to this to submit the form and there are too many submissions or the maximum submissions, then the link will be gone. You could, of course, send yourself a notification saying you've reached your maximum submissions, and then you can turn off the form manually. So I hope this helps. Maybe not the perfect solution, but it is something.